it's Catty and welcome back to my channel, Glam By Catty. If you are new here, welcome. I upload a new video every Sunday. As you guys can tell from the title of this week's video, I will be taking another break from a makeup look or a video since my brows are still healing. I have about 2.5 more weeks until my perfection session, so I am trying to stay away from playing with too much makeup on my face, near my brows, especially eyeshadow. And so yeah, I can't wait to get back into those makeup looks and try new palettes with you guys, but that will be coming soon. So for this video, as you can tell from the title, I will be showing you guys different hair pieces and wigs that I have received from the brand INHHAIR, or insert name here hair. So with all that being said, let's get started. So this is my real hair right here, and it's up crazy right now. We had a bunch of errands and stuff to do today, so don't mind that. But it is like a darker burgundy color on top, and then I did have like ombre hair. It was blonde on the bottom, so I didn't want to damage it more and bleach the top to match, so I left it the ombre, so the bottom's like this lighter red plummy shade. I don't know, but it's called red violet, so that's what it is right now. But I just love playing with wigs and hair pieces because honestly I'm freaking lazy when it comes to my hair. Like, I can sit there and play with makeup all day, but yeah, when it comes to my hair, I just like throw it up in a trungle and let's go. So all of these wigs and hair pieces have definitely helped save me time, and it's just super easy to throw on. And all of the information will be up on the screen. The first hair piece we will get into is this one right here. It is the Sami Bun. It comes in this cute little box like this that says insert name here on it, just for storage. And it is their Sami tousled wave bun. It retails for $38. Simply clip her over your existing bun to completely change up your look. You can keep it casual with a messy bun or dress her up. Sami is anything but your basic bun. So in other words, it's basically your bun but better, and I will definitely show you guys the difference. And she comes in 12 different shades. So yeah, let's open her up and let's show you how to apply her. So this is Sami, and it's a bun, you can see, and it has the loose waves that you like sort of wrap around at the end, and you can make it as messy or as tight as you want. Then on the inside, she has this little net right here with 4 clips that grip around your bun, and a little string to keep it tight. And once you pull that little string to secure her, she will not move or come off. Let me throw my hair up into a bun real quick and we'll get started. Now that my hair is up into a bun, and I know it's not the best bun, but I'm going to take Sami. Using those 4 little clippies, we're just going to clip it around, and I'll just start putting it in. All the clips are in already, and it feels freaking secure. It's not going anywhere, but we still have to tighten that little string, and I left it in the front, that way I can see it and grab it. So I'm just going to pull it and then wrap it around, and then I will use a bobby pin to secure the little ends. Okay, then the last thing is all these longer hairs from the bun. You'll just take them, and I like to start from like the side, and I'll wrap them all the way around, and you can make it as messy or as tight as you want. Then I'll take more bobby pins and secure it. And that is it. It literally takes like 2 seconds to pop her on. It's way better than my normal bun. Feels very freaking secure on my head, and she's not going anywhere. Now let's get into the next hairpiece. The next hairpiece that we'll be getting into is their Brit Pony, and all of their actual ponies and wigs come in this really cute purple satin bag that says insert name here. That is super great for storage, and that is where I keep all my ponies and wigs also. So this is the Brit Pony. She is freaking long and gorgeous. I definitely get Ariana vibes when I wear her. And she is their extra long with soft waves. She is $54 and comes in 21 shades. So definitely a big selection. At 26 inches long with soft waves, Brit's one of our top selling clip and curly ponytail extensions for good reason. She will have you feeling cute and confident. Sami is off, and I left my hair up in a bun for 2 reasons. One is because my real hair does not match the pony at all, and because I like how the bun gives it volume up top. Also, don't mind my fugly nails. I have an appointment at the end of the week. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and apply Brit. It has 1 clip right here. as well as this extra piece of hair that is going to wrap it around, that way you can't see the Velcro, and then you just secure it with a bobby pin. So it's super easy to do, just like Sammy, and takes only a few seconds. Clip her in at the front, and with that extra piece, just wrap it around the bottom. Make sure that Velcro is super tight when you're doing this, that way she stays secure. And you can wrap it around about twice. We'll get a bobby pin and secure the rest of that little strand. And voila, that is it. And here is Brit. She's freaking long. Like I said, I definitely get Ariana vibes when I wore her, and I have worn her and used her a lot. She is definitely my favorite pony at the moment. And yeah, just super easy to throw on, especially if I'm in a hurry. I'll just grab her and it looks like your real hair. Now let's get into the wigs. So all of their wigs come with 2 wig caps already, which is great. And the first wig we'll be getting into is this black lob right here, and her name is Poppy. And I've literally worn her maybe 2 of my videos. I honestly haven't even worn her outside of my house yet, because I honestly get Lord Farquaad from Shrek vibes, if you know what I mean. She's still super pretty, just not one of my favorites, or for me. All of their wigs are pre-cut lace already and come with 2 clips at the front, and then there's an adjustable band on the bottom so you can adjust it to your head size and make sure it's snug and comfortable. But let me quickly show you how I get my hair down and throw on a wig cap and pop her on. So my hair is pretty long and thick, so I'm going to do like a middle part, then I will braid it and then wrap it around and secure it and pop the wig cap on.
That's what it definitely reminds me of whenever I get my hair.
I'm just gonna wrap it around. The wig cap is on, and before anyone says I look like a fucking egg, you go fuck yourself. Poppy is on, and yeah, she's just a short lob. Told you guys, Lord Farquaad is not one of my favorites, but she's still cute. I mean, I think anybody can pull this off. It's just not for me. So let's get into the next wig. So this is the next wig. Her name is Goldie. She is freaking long, and it's the ombre blonde wig with waves and layers. She's super gorgeous, and I do wear her very frequently in my videos as well as out, and every time I do I also get compliments. So yeah, she's just super pretty. It is pre-cut lace also, and has the same 2 clips in the front and an adjustable band at the bottom, and there's also an extra clip at the bottom. I did not know that. So let's pop her on. So Goldie is on, and she's super freaky gorgeous. It's definitely one of my favorite wigs. I just love long wigs in general, and I love that she has the ombre at the top that fades to this gorgeous blonde. And yeah, whenever I'm just feeling like going blonde instead of messing up my hair, I will pop her on. Now let's get into the last and final wig. Last and final wig is Lila. She is this one right here. It is a pre-cut lace middle part ombre wig, and she fades to this gorgeous like purple lavender gray color, and I am obsessed. And she's so freaking curly and long, and it is a lot of hair. She has those 2 clips on the inside also to help secure her, and the adjustable band at the bottom. So let's pop her on. So Lila is on, and I probably wear her the most. You guys can see she is freaking long and so much hair. I have to say she is my favorite wig out of all of them, and I do wear her out a lot, and I always get compliments. People think it's my real hair, and she's just so freaking gorgeous. So let me know what was your favorite wig or pony. Drop it down below in the comments, and that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also drop a comment down below on what other look or video you guys want to see next, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!